In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Google Docs. If you've ever wondered how to organize your lists or paragraphs in alphabetical order, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to achieve this using Google Docs with the help of a great add-on called Sorted Paragraphs. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your web browser. Use any browser you're comfortable with, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, go ahead and type google.com into the address bar to navigate to Google's homepage. When you arrive there, look for the sign in button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Start by typing in your email address and then clicking Next. After that, the next step is to enter your password. Finish by clicking Next again, and you'll be signed into your Google account. With your account now active, direct your attention to the small grid icon often found in the upper right side of the screen. This is your apps launcher. Click on it and then select Google Docs from the drop-down menu. If you don't see it right away, you might find it under More or have to scroll a bit. Once you're in Google Docs, look towards the menu bar at the top of your document page. Click on Extensions, then select Add-ons, and choose Get Add-ons. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a place where you can find various tools to enhance your Google Docs experience. Now, in the search bar of the Marketplace, type Sorted Paragraphs. After you find it, click on the add-on, then click Install. You might see a dialog that prompts you to click Continue and choose your Google account again. Follow those steps and make sure to grant any necessary permissions by hitting Allow. After installation is complete, click Done. And you're ready to use this helpful addition. Go back to the document, highlight the text you want to alphabetize. Once highlighted, head back to the Extensions menu and select the Sorted Paragraphs add-on. You will see an option to sort the text alphabetically, typically labeled as Sort A to Z. Choose that option and watch as your text instantly rearranges itself into perfect alphabetical order. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to alphabetize your text in Google Docs. Now you can keep your lists and paragraphs neatly organized with ease. Thanks for following along and happy sorting!